Interior video part 2 got interrupted, so we'll go from here. So here's the wet bath indoor shower with a skylight and a battery, or electric light. Has an exhaust fan, has steps that go up in, and they also go out of the way. Norcold refrigerator. It's nice, big size. And then the cab over queen mattress. Lots of cabinet space, inside space. Battery powered exhaust fan. Reading lights back there, lots of charging ports and outlets all around. It is wired for TV, but it does not have one. It has a satellite antenna on the roof, but obviously without a TV, you don't need that. But it is there if you want to install one. The tailgate is in here right now. That's what I was stumbling over. But super clean, super nice, well cared for. As I said in the other video, it was stored indoors anytime they weren't using it. And you can tell, both on the outside and the inside.